In terms of the Controlled Wildlife Products and Trade Amendment Bill, penalties for those found guilty of being in possession of protected wildlife products will be increased from $20,000 to $15 million or imprisonment not exceeding 15 years. The bill further increases the fine for those who have been found to have aided or instigated other people to poach or illegally harvest protected wildlife for a fine not exceeding 25 million or imprisonment for 25 years. But what pains some National Council members is the fact that the current fund, under the Human Wildlife Policy, provides for payment of only $5,000 to cover funeral costs of victims of human-wildlife conflict. For instance, the Okahanja Regional Councillor Steve Boyce says the law places more value on wildlife whose fines amounts to millions of dollars.
That when a wildlife animal will kill a Namibian citizen that is equally protected within the Constitution, the right to life, it is one of the fundamental rights of a human being. So I would call that urgently we review the value that we place on the lives of a human being, comparison to the life of a wildlife.
Another SWAPO MP, John Likando, also objected to the bill, citing the need to compensate people whose crop fields have been destroyed every year.
But from my own observation, these amendments are done emotionally due to increase in number of illicit trade and the killing of protected and endangered species, especially rhinos and elephants. The perpetrators mostly are foreign nationals. The increase in sentence in most cases sound to be reasonable compared to fines, which are far away from being realistic. Honorable Member, it's almost 14 years when our chambers passed the same emotional law, that of being stock surfeit. The principle was challenged in our courts and was found to be unreasonable and unrealistic. The sentence of stock surfeit, if you can remember well, it was higher than murder cases.
Debate on the bill continues when the National Council resumes on Monday. Salmi Hangula, NBC News, Windhoek.